Hi everyone, this is Canon Pixma MG3650S, and in this video I will show you how to connect this printer to your smartphone using Wi-Fi Direct. Wi-Fi Direct might be useful only if you don't have Wi-Fi router. In other case, I recommend you to use shared Wi-Fi connection. Also, in this video I will show you how to use the basic features of Canon print applications like printing and scanning. So let's get into it right now. So first you need to activate Wi-Fi Direct on your printer. To do this, first make sure your printer's control panel looks like this. The Wi-Fi and power indicators are solid and the alarm indicator is off. If it's on, it means there are some problems with your printer, for example jammed paper or something else, so you need to solve the problems, restart your printer and then proceed to activating Wi-Fi Direct. So to activate, press and hold Wi-Fi button until you see blinking power indicator, then release the Wi-Fi button and press black copy button, color copy button and Wi-Fi button. Such a key combination. Now you see that power indicator keeps blinking, and when it stops blinking it means Wi-Fi Direct is activated. That's it, that's what you need, and now you need just to find out the Wi-Fi network name and password. And it's also pretty easy. Once again, press and hold Wi-Fi button until the power indicator starts blinking, release the button and press it once again, just like this. Now the printer is gonna give you a page. And the necessary information is on this page. By the way, you can press the cancel button right after the first page because you don't need the second one. Here is access point mode section. This is what you need. SSID is your network name and password is your password. So what you need is connect your smartphone to this network. So let's open Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's network, enter password, and join. As you know, to manage your printer you need Canon Print application. You can download it, for example, from mobile internet or your neighbor's Wi-Fi. So install this application, open it on the first launch, accept the license agreement, give permissions and so on, like always. And then just hit add/switch and register printer and wait for the printer's model name to appear here. Here it is. Just tap on that. And you're suggested to choose your favorite photo and try it out, but let's close this window and proceed to the application. First of all, from this app you can open the printer settings. Just tap on the image, you can get the printer information, use utilities like print head alignment, cartridge cleaning and so on. Register to cloud, but you need internet of course to do this and so on. Let's close settings and you can control the printer's functions from this application. For example, let's print a document. Let's switch to documents, select the document we wish to print. It creates preview for us. By the way, for some reason they added share button here that takes you to the system dialog. But we want to print, so hit next. This is a suggestion to open user manual, but we don't want to open user manual. We want just to briefly walk ourselves through the settings. So how many copies do you want to print? Print range, as always. Actually, print settings are about the same in all applications. It can vary across the application. In professional application there are a lot of settings, in simple applications fewer settings, but copies, print range, paper size, media type, color mode and two-sided printing are the same in all applications, and same as original size. In some application this setting can be called fit to page. So if you want fit your document to your page, disable same as original size. And let me change paper size because I'm using A4. Let's go back and no more settings in this application. Once again, this suggestion to open user manual. I don't want to do this, so I'm done. Let's tap on print and let the printer to work a little bit. Okay, the next page, and so on, guys. So the printer works, we're all set, but let's also scan a document. When you scan in a document, the main thing is to put it correctly on the scanner glass. To do this, put the side you wish to scan facing down and make sure the top left corner is aligned with this arrow pointing to the corner of the scanner glass. So put the document like this and glide to the borders and fit snugly, like that. Close the lid. Next, in Canon print application, hit the scan tile and change 3 settings: original type, document or photo, color mode, color or monochrome, and original size. So set your document size. They even don't allow you to set resolution. So I don't really like this scanning application, but you have don't too much alternatives and they are paid. So let's use this one so far. And if you need to create multi-page document, you can just place the next page on the scanner glass and only after this press scan one more time. So repeat this operation as long as you need. Replace, scan, and once you're done, just hit exit. And it takes you to scan result. You can swipe left and right to switch between pages, but there are no editing options in this application, and this is also frustrating for me. So once you're done, you can hit share and use as JPEG if you want to save as separate files like photos, or use as PDF if you want to save as a document, and it takes you to normal iOS dialog or Android dialog or computer dialog, depending on the platform you use. So just save your file and you're all set. Let's open Canon Print once again. Smartphone copy is also implemented pretty poor. It doesn't allow you even create multi-page documents. So I recommend you to use something like Microsoft Lens. It's free and pretty powerful if you really need smartphone copy and scan feature. Really useful is copy function control. So you have black and color copy buttons as on the printer's control panel, and the difference is you can set number of copies and you have more paper sizes. On the printer you can switch only between A4 and 4 by 6 inches, but you have 2 additional paper sizes. In this menu you can change zoom and change print quality. On the first scan, on the first copying, you will be required to enter password. The password you can find on the same page as your Wi-Fi direct password. So here it is at the top, default password. So once you entered it, you won't be required to enter it anymore. So let me cancel copying because it's self-explaining. Just place your document and press button, and actually that's pretty for today. If this video was helpful, support our channel with your likes and subscriptions. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Be awesome. Bye guys.